welcome. Today we'll be performing a spoon sound experiment and watching the sound waves on Audacity open source recording software. For this experiment, you'll need a piece of yarn or string, a metal spoon, and a hard surface like a table. Make a loop with the yarn and wrap around the front of the spoon handle. Alternatively, you can tie it once, but don't make a knot. Take one piece of the end of the string in each hand and wrap it around your fingers. The spoon will hang in front of you, and you'll want to insert your fingers into your ears. Gently tap the spoon on the table. How does it sound different than when you listen to it through the air? Next, let's push record and watch as the microphone captures the sound waves in real time and Audacity records them as data. Now let's zoom in on a sound wave. You can try this experiment with different sized spoons, different string-like materials, and then analyze your results to make it even more educational. Thanks for watching this kckpl.org video.